Welcome to the UAB Career Center virtual newsletter. I am Britney Blackstock, an Assistant Director Career Consultant within the UAB Career Center. At a loss for words on how you can maintain your momentum during this season, I want to introduce you to a term we call upskilling. This simply means an opportunity for you to grow your skills, maintain them where you are, and utilize resources when traditional ones that we're accustomed to are out of reach. We have an extensive list, but today I want to cover 3 upskilling tips to help. Number 1, of course, we champion individuality and we encourage each Blazer to build on their professional skills. Join LinkedIn for free and create your student profile. There are also tips in the UAB Career Guide on pages 20 and 21 to help. Number 2, add to your computer proficiencies. Take a training in Excel, either advanced or intermediate. Build on your Microsoft Teams expertise. And lastly, prepare yourself to work in a digital world. Due to COVID-19, many professionals were thrown into a new normal and challenged with a learning curve to work remotely and depend on digital technology. Number 3, participate in virtual experiential learning. For example, sign up with Dewey Parker and apply for micro internships. This will allow you to work on short-term professional projects, give you an opportunity to generate income, and build your professional competencies. Also, consider becoming a virtual volunteer with Volunteer Match. There are thousands of opportunities available nationwide, giving you the experiences you may need for academic programs or membership into organizations. I hope that you have found these tips helpful. Details are available in the description below, with website links for additional information. Certainly, we are in this together. UAB